Hi, today we're making tender, crispy, and juicy garlic butter chicken wings, coated with our secret seasoning and buttery flavors. These wings are hard to make anything but delicious. First, pat the chicken wings dry, add soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper water, and ginger slices. Mix well and marinate for 20 minutes. Next, prepare the minced garlic crush or chop it as you prefer. Once the wings are marinated, coat them lightly with cornstarch. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use flour instead. Heat a pan over medium-low heat. Cook the wings for a total of 12 minutes. Turn to high heat during the last minute. Cook until both sides are golden brown and fully cooked, then set aside. Clean the pan again and melt 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Butter has a low smoke point, so keep the heat low. Then, add the minced garlic and sauté until fragrant. Butter and garlic are a perfect match. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce and a tablespoon of honey, and mix well. Return the chicken wings to the pan, coating them thoroughly with the sauce, and they're done. Chicken wings are usually best enjoyed hot, but surprisingly, they taste even better when they cool down with this method. You've got to try it. Finally, if you have the skills, you can.